Hey gang, in this video, let's go over the basics for building reports in Salesforce. First, for your general knowledge, remember that a Salesforce report is primarily a filtered list of Salesforce records. The very first step to building your own Salesforce report is to select a report type. Whether you're using a standard report type or a custom type configured by your admin, this basically preps Salesforce to know what type of data to pull in your report, based on whichever objects and object relationships you specify when choosing your report type. Then, once you've chosen your report type, you enter the report builder. This is where the magic really happens across three main areas. The filter pane is where you set the filters and logic for your report, which basically tells Salesforce which records to include as results. These filters are mostly based on your record fields, but you can also configure this based on related objects using cross filters, which is a semi-advanced filtering tool. Up next is the outline pane. This section dictates which columns and calculations appear in your report. So this is where you set and rearrange your fields, which appear as report columns. This is also where you specify the type of summarizing needed on your numeric data, like averages or totals. As you get more advanced, the outline pane is also where you can add formulas to your report and add groupings to create summary or matrix reports, which are more advanced. Finally, the last big section of the report builder is the preview pane. This is what it sounds like. It's where you can preview how your report results will appear on the final page. The other main thing you can do in the preview pane is sort your results based on your columns. So once you've set up all the panes how you'd like, the next step is to save and run your report. Keep in mind that the folder where you save will dictate the access users have to view said report. Ta-da! And there you have it. From the report run page, you can do a bunch of nifty things, like subscribing or exporting your results. And if your report has groupings, like this one, you can also add charts to help visualize your data. And that's a wrap, gang. I hope this video was a helpful intro to Salesforce Reports and all the major pieces to get familiar with. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and for more videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks.